Good morning, good day, and good evening, STS users around the world. My name is Ricardo Pucci, and I'm the project coordinator for the TID Rollover project. Today's video is all about the TID Rollover key change process. We will cover several different scenarios where we teach you how to do it, go through some troubleshooting tips, and ways to check that it has been done correctly. So, without further ado, let's begin. Step 1. Establish the meter's response. In order to correctly train your ground team, establish ahead of time what response the meter should display when correctly or incorrectly entering a key change token and when the key change process itself is done successfully. These will both be defined by the manufacturer, so it would be best to get this information from them directly. If you have meters in the field from various manufacturers, you will need this key change info from all of them. Step 2. Generate the key change tokens. These tokens must be generated by a vending system that has been upgraded to STS Edition 2. Depending on the type of meter, the vending system may generate 2, 3, or even 4 key change tokens. However, most meters will only need 2 key change tokens. What's important though is that no matter how many tokens it generates, all of the tokens must be entered, and they can be entered in any order. Step 3. Enter unused tokens first. Ask the customer if they have any unused token that they've been saving for a rainy day, and enter all of those tokens now before you start the key change process. Why? Because you're about to do a key change on that meter, which means that the unused tokens will be rejected if you try to enter them afterwards, because they'll be in the old meter key, so enter them now before you start the key change process. Okay, so here we have a virtual meter. For today's purposes, it will represent any meter out there in the field. And we're going to do a key change process. We're going to enter some key change tokens, and then we'll complete the entire TID rollover. Please take note of the following 2 things. The credit on the meter right now. The credit will not be affected by the key change process, unless, of course, the meter in the field is actually connected to a load during the key change process. If not, it won't be affected. And most importantly, the key change tokens that I'm using for today's videos are demo tokens only. You cannot use these tokens and go out into the field and try do some key changes with them. They will not work. You will need to generate your own key change tokens for each of your meters out there in the field. Alright, so let's begin with the key change process. Let's enter the first key change token, 2007 1110 5409. Oops, I made a mistake there. Okay, so let's just push the backspace. 5409 2606 9238. All right, so it's given us a response, KCT1, that tells me it accepted the first key change token. Okay, so let's enter the second one. 3596 7615. Oops, I made another mistake there. 76, just backspace. 7615 4340 88529 and then 0749. Fantastic, key change done. So you can see there clearly that you can actually make a mistake while you're entering the token. Just simply use the backspace button and correct what you've done, and then enter the token correctly, and it will still be fine. And what you can also see is that the credit has not changed after the key change process. Okay, so I've now reset the meter, and what we're going to do this time is we're going to redo the key change process, but this time we're going to throw a few things into the mix. We're going to make some errors on purpose. Okay, so take note, the credit is still sitting at 49.4. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enter the second token in first. All right, so let's do that. 3596 7615 4340 8529. Oh wait, okay, let me backspace. 8529 0749. Great, so it tells me the key change token number 2 was entered. That's correct, that's what I did. All right, so now instead of entering the next token, I'm going to enter in a bogus token. Just an absolutely made up token. Great, CRC error. Obviously that wasn't the right token, but we can do this twice. So you can even enter 2 incorrect tokens during the key change process, as we see again, 2 CRC errors. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the remaining token, which was actually the first token. Let's do that now. 2007 1110 540. Okay, wait. 5409 2606 9238. Key change done. So that just demonstrated that you can actually make some mistakes during the key change process, like entering incorrect tokens twice, and the key change process will still be done. If you are given a credit token in addition to the key change tokens, enter this credit token after the key change tokens. This would be a verification step to check that the meter's key has been changed successfully. You must ensure though that you take note of the current meter credit before the key change, so that you can check afterwards that the credit has been added. What do you do if you've made a mistake during the process? How do you start over? If you have made a mistake with one of the tokens, just simply re-enter it. There is no need to start over again. However, if you do enter an incorrect token during the process, it's absolutely fine. You can carry on. In fact, you can enter 2 incorrect tokens during the key change process, and it actually won't affect anything. However, if you are still adamant that you need to start over, simply wait 10 minutes for the meter to time out and then start the entire process again. One final note, even if the meter is in a tampered state, you may still proceed with the key change regardless. If anyone out there has special requirements for their project team and needs specific advice or recommendations, then please get in touch with us directly on tid@sts.org.za. STS, the only true globally accepted open standard for prepayment metering. Simple, trusted, and secure. To all of you out there, good luck with your projects and thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe. Ciao for now.